Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix crashing Forza Horizon 6 after a new update. So I think I just found the fix. What you need to do here is to go to options, then you need to go to a language select and look for system language. So probably you are on the system language, so then you just need to select to other language here. For me it worked English UK, change that particular language and the game now should restart. And after that, I didn't get any crashes anymore. So try this fix first. But if this do not work, then use this. Of course, depending where you have the game, I have on Xbox app. So I just need to go look for Xbox app and make sure to run as admin. Once Xbox app is opened, then you need to go to my library. Then you need to go to a Forza Horizon, press on the three dots, manage, and then you need to go to files and browse. Then you need to go to Forza Horizon 6, then you need to go to content, and then you should see Forza Horizon exe. So what you need to do here is to make sure to show more options, properties, compatibility, and run this program as administrator and disable full screen optimizations and look as if the problem persists. You can do the same on Steam as well. Then what you need to do here is to go to graphics settings, add a Microsoft Store app and look for Forza Horizon. Probably add it here, so it will not be here, but let me quickly look. Probably, yeah, Forza Horizon is here. So you need to look for Forza Horizon, make sure this option is deselected and make sure it's set to high performance. If you have this game on Steam, then you need to just go to a whatever game, and then you need to just go to properties, install files, browse, and then copy the path. Then go back on graphic settings, and then you just need to go add the stop app and paste the path and add that particular exe here, and then you'll find it and set a high performance, deselect windowed games. And then here make sure GPU advanced accelerated GPU scheduling is on, and also optimization for windowed games is on, and it should work. But probably first fix should fix your problem. So that's pretty much it.